Ever feel like your server rack is just a dust magnet waiting to happen? Well, APC might have a surprisingly simple solution with these Netshelter SX 750mm mounting rail brush strips. At first glance, they seem almost too basic to make a difference, but let's dive into whether these black plastic strips are a genuine upgrade or just another accessory. The primary job of these brush strips is to seal up those pesky gaps around your mounting rails in a 750mm wide Netshelter SX enclosure. Think of them as a barrier against dust, debris, and even stray cables trying to sneak into your sensitive equipment. They're made of a durable black plastic, which feels pretty robust, and the brush material itself seems designed to flex and conform without snagging. Installation is, as you'd expect, straightforward. They clip onto the existing mounting rails, and the process is quick enough that you won't be spending hours wrestling with them. The dimensions, 114 inches long by 76 inches wide, are a bit of a head-scratcher in the provided specs, as they seem to refer to the overall rack dimensions rather than the strips themselves. But the key takeaway is they are designed for the 750mm width. The real performance impression comes from the peace of mind they offer. After installing them, there's a noticeable reduction in the amount of dust that settles on the floor of the rack and around the equipment. It's not a completely sealed environment, of course, but it's a significant improvement, especially in environments where dust is a constant battle. While the style, music, is definitely an oddity in the product description and likely a data entry error, the practical application is all about functionality. These aren't flashy, they don't add processing power, but they do contribute to a cleaner, more organized, and potentially longer-lasting IT environment. For anyone serious about maintaining their server rack, especially in less than pristine conditions, these brush strips are a small investment that delivers tangible benefits. Ultimately, the APC Netshelter SX 750mm mounting rail brush strips are a no-nonsense, effective solution for keeping your rack clean. They do exactly what they promise, offering a simple yet crucial layer of protection against dust and debris.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.